Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope that you all are having an amazing day today. Shout out to Portland Gear. I'll leave the link down below if you want to check out their products. Since I do live in Oregon, I do need to rep that Portland merch. So let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so you guys can tell I did open it up already. Let's see what we have here. Oh look, they actually added a little sticker for Portland Gear. Ooh, this is sick. I actually like this. This little card here just says founded in 2014. It's like the story of Portland Gear by Portland native Marcus Harvey. I actually got to meet Marcus Harvey back in, I'd say, 2015 when I was in high school. I went to this college meeting, you can say, of aspiring entrepreneurs, and I got the chance to meet him there, and his story was real inspiring. So shout out to him, shout out to his company, and you know, Portland Gear is the way to go. So here we have the jacket. Pretty nice. I got this one. I can say by the looks of it, I can already tell it's gonna be an amazing jacket. I'll actually rock this when I go for my runs. So I'll go ahead and throw it on. I'll take this one off. Ooh, I like that, you guys. Now this, whew. So this looks amazing. Honestly, you got that little P logo right there for Portland Gear. Oh, shout out Portland Gear. Wow, this is sick. This is pretty sick. Let's see. Let's go ahead and try it on. Ooh. Alright, so here's the fit, you know. Oh man, I like this. How does it look? How does it look? Does it look good? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments how it looks. I want to know your opinion, but I like this. Portland logo once again. Clean. This is clean. I actually have a mirror over here, so let me just go ahead and move this. Ooh. This is nice. You know, I like this. Got my chair here. So here's the fit of the jacket. I actually like this jacket a lot. Super cool. The quality is just amazing. Oh man, this jacket is nice. Like, I actually like this. It's pretty sick. I guess I'll be using this jacket for when I go on my runs, but I feel like this actually can go with anything else. So, you know, right now, here, I'll just show you the fit. So right now I'm just wearing the regular jeans, denim jeans. I got the Air Forces on, and this jacket, I just have a white shirt under here. That's about it. Alright guys, so just let me know down in the comments if you want to see more videos like these. Like I mentioned before in my videos, I do love clothing. As you guys can tell, I have the whole rack of jeans there. I usually just keep my jeans organized in that way, and then I have like all of my jackets and hoodies in there, as well as like shirts. But I like this. I'll be rocking this. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like these, make sure to comment down below. Shout out Portland Gear once again. I absolutely love them. So if you're in Portland, go ahead and check out Portland Gear. You know, you might just get a sticker. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a like, share, and make sure to subscribe. With that being said, once again, I'm out. Peace.